3D printing and additive manufacturing are playing an increasingly critical role in strengthening the defense industrial base. The Department of Defense faces growing pressure to modernize production, secure supply chains, and respond faster to evolving mission demands. Additive manufacturing supports these priorities by enabling rapid prototyping, accelerated production timelines, and greater design flexibility for defense applications. Unlike traditional manufacturing, 3D printing allows parts to be produced layer by layer, making it possible to create complex, lightweight, and high-performance components tailored to defense needs. This capability is especially valuable for sustaining legacy systems, where replacement parts may be difficult or impossible to source through conventional methods. Additive manufacturing also enhances defense readiness by reducing reliance on long, vulnerable supply chains. Through digital part files and distributed manufacturing, components can be produced closer to the point of need, improving responsiveness and operational resilience. As qualification standards, materials, and workforce capabilities continue to mature, additive manufacturing is moving from limited use cases to scalable, trusted deployment across the defense ecosystem. This has been another episode of Additive Manufacturing in Focus, brought to you by RAPID TCT, North America's largest additive manufacturing and industrial 3D printing event. Be sure to follow us for more episodes showcasing cutting-edge advancements in the industry. Have a company you'd like to see featured? Tag them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.